Alright friends, welcome back to the show. Today we're doing chicken Angelo. Very simple dish, very tasty dish. Has a lot of ingredients, but simple to put together, and the whole family will enjoy it. Alright, we're going to start off with our large frying pan. We're going to put a couple tablespoons of melted butter in there, and then some olive oil, and we're going to bring it out to heat. I've got 4 thinly sliced chicken breasts that I've coated with flour. I'm going to place into the frying pan, and we're going to cook these thoroughly, right through, till done. About 3 to 4 minutes on each side because they are very thin. And after about 4 or 5 minutes, we're going to hit them with a little salt and pepper, and then we're going to flip them. While I'm doing this, please remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel. I really appreciate it. And hit that bell to stay up to date with newest recipes. Alright, now, once the chicken is done, we're going to remove it, put it on a plate, and we'll set that chicken aside because we're going to be working on the Angelo sauce. So for the sauce, we're going to need a little bit of cooking sherry. If you don't have cooking sherry, some white wine will work as well. And we're just going to pour that right into the pan to deglaze the pan and get all that goodness off the bottom. And then we're going to add about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. I like this garlic paste. If you don't have the garlic paste, you can microplane it or use a garlic press. And as soon as that garlic becomes fragrant, that's where we're going to start to add our vegetables. Alright, we're going to go with 2 kinds of olives, 4 ounce each, black and green. Then we're going to do a 4 ounce jar of sun-dried tomatoes that we've drained. Then we're going to put a 6 ounce jar of mushrooms that we've drained, a 6 ounce jar of roasted peppers that we've drained, and a 6 ounce jar of artichoke hearts also we've drained the juices from. Look at all that color, and if you could smell it, oh, it smells delicious. Alright, now we're going to give this a nice mix and get everything nice and warm. And once we get everything to temp, we're going to add a little bit of our favorite Italian dressing to this. I like the Good Seasons Robust Italian. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in there, and we'll let that cook for a few, and then it's time to plate. We'll take all 4 of our chicken breasts, put them on a nice platter because we're going to serve this family style, and then we'll just spoon on our Angelo sauce right over each piece of chicken, and you have a delicious, healthy Italian dish. Alright, hey, thanks for watching. Come back again for more recipes, and I really appreciate you. And remember, tell your friends about us, okay? Thank you.